Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to remove a stuck key from a door lock. This is an easy fix and an easy solution, so let's get right into the video. Sometimes when you put a key inside of a door lock cylinder, the key might get stuck inside. And there's an easy way to fix it, but first I want to tell you why it happens. It's important to know why the problem exists to know how to fix it. So if I place this key inside of this door lock, you can see it is the correct key. It does work, okay? So if I place it inside of there, sometimes it's hard to get it out. I'm pulling on it and it's not coming out. And the reason why it's not coming out is because if you look at the lock cylinder, you can see the lock cylinder is being pulled back out with the key. So what we need to do is we need to essentially hold the lock cylinder in place and pull the key out. Now you can do this by using your finger. I'm pushing against the lock cylinder and at the same time pulling the key out, just like that, okay? That's how it works. You can also use two hands. I can use one hand to push against the lock cylinder and the other hand to pull the key out. But either way, if you get your key in there and you're pulling and it's not coming out, what you want to do is just push against the lock cylinder. Okay, so I'm pushing inwards on the lock cylinder with this finger right here, and I'm using my other fingers right here, my middle finger and my thumb, to pull the key out, just like that, okay? It's literally that simple. If your key is stuck, or it seems like it's stuck in the lock cylinder, in the lock cylinder of the door lock, then you can easily fix it with this easy solution. You want to make sure that you're pushing against it and pull the key out simultaneously. You can do it with one hand like I showed you right there, or you can do it with two hands. It's up to you, but it works really, really well. And it's usually because the key parts over here that are all pointy are pulling against the pins, which is essentially pulling back on the lock cylinder. So we want to stop that from happening. And that's exactly how to do it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.